Hi everyone and welcome to my channel ICT Active Learners. Today I am here to explain and solve Cambridge IGCSE ICT May-June 2024 Paper 22 database part. It says that you are now going to prepare some reports. Dates must be imported in the format of day, month and year. All currency value must display the same currency symbol and be set to 2 decimal places. So first of all, you need to import a file J42422 as a new table. So I will open Microsoft Access to create a database, and I will call it, for example, 2024 paper 22. Now we'll go to desktop to my folder and I will save my database over there. Now let's start with getting external file. It's a text file and the file it says called students. Now the field names should be checked. All text, date and time, it should be DMY, and then we have here fee paid, Boolean logical, yes, no, short text, that's it. Click on OK. Next, choose a primary key as roll number. Finish. So the file is imported. Now right click here, design view, and then select from here first of all the date of birth in the format of DDMMY. This is what we have. Then this one, Boolean logical, should be yes, no, and that's all I guess. Save and view. This is how it will look like. Now you should take screenshot that how you have imported this file with what name, and you should place it in your evidence document for step number 13. Yeah, this one is the previous document. It is done. Now after this all is done, now moving forward to import one more file, J2422 courses. Close this one, get a file. This time it is called courses, and then first row contain field name. Next, click on it once and see how it is number, text, and then number will change it to currency, date and time should be DMY. Okay, next choose a primary key and course ID is going to be the primary key. Import it. Now if you wanted to check the date, again design view, the date it should be DMY, date, month and year, and the cost should be in currency, euro, pound, whatever, with 2 decimal places. So this is how it is now. Close. Now you have to take the screenshot of this one as well. So you have now 2 tables imported and just place it under each other. Now what you need to do is you need to create the relationship between course ID and course code. So database tools, relationship, add 2 tables, and then course ID and course code will have a relationship with the type of relationship. So this should go as evidence for step number 14. This is done. Now what you need to do is you need to enter the following details as a new record in students table. So close this one, yes, open students table and then click on new record and add the data. It is saying TAGL 204, then peacock, then it is Luxa, and then it is male, and this is RO561, then it says 09, 06 and 1988, then it says 54 Pershore Lane, and then we have Free Marsh, then we have PB 51 space 7EH, it is no, and then it is check. Yeah, this record is saved, and now go down. You need to produce a tabular report, but before report you need to make a query. So close this one, create a query using both the tables, students table, and then we have course table, and I'm gonna call this one step number 16 query, modify it, and then what I'm looking for, fee paid is no, so fee paid is no, and then we have check or credit card, the payment type, check, or credit card. That's it. Run and let's check. Yeah, no, that's perfect. Now what we need to do, contain a new field called late payment. So we should go to design view, we should go to the end here, click, and then we need to click on builder. To create this field must display the new course cost after a 2% increase has been applied. Use course cost multiply by 1.02. So course cost, this one, and multiply with 1.02. That's it. And then it is called late payment. Late payment, save and run. So this is what we got actually. So the late payment is already here, and then we need to format this one as a currency. So design view, click here, format as currency with 2 decimal places. This is done. Now what we need to do is show only the field roll number, first name, last name, and so on. And we need to put actually sort the data into ascending order of level. So ascending order of level. Let's find here ascending order of level, and then we should look for descending order of course name. Okay, this is done. Save, close, and now start creating a report by using report wizard. Now you can select the field names here. Roll number. So roll number, then you have first name, then you have last name, I guess, then date of birth, then you have course name, then you have level, then you have fee paid, then you have here payment type, then you have course cost, then late payment, in this order. That's it. Next, ascending, descending, already done. It should be in landscape format, and there must be a label called surcharge of outstanding, and then just click on finish. So as you can see now, this is how it look like. So you need to make some necessary changes actually, so that it will look actually the same. So right now I am moving forward with the next. So what we need to do is we need to fix all them by changing the layout, because some data is not currently seen, it's hidden. So we just need to fix this all. Then date of birth, course name, level, credit debit card, fee paid, then we have the course cost, we can, I guess, move them little bit to the left so that we can have enough space for the other items to get fit into the space. Payment type, credit card or check, and then here we have the course cost, the course payment. Okay, so still there is some adjustment required. So we have enough space over here. This one I will move to the extreme left. This one should cover up here. This should move to the left as well. This one should also move. Make sure none of the data is being hidden, or if not the data, then the labels should not be hidden. This is what we are done with. Now the next step, it says that we should include our name, sender number, candidate number on footer of the report on every page. So design view, get a design, a label should be included with the name, with the center number and candidate number. That's all. Save and done. Now next step is to, using field from both tables, produce label which select the records from both the tables. So first of all, you need to create another query by using query wizard from both the table, courses, then from students, next, modify, and this query is for step 17. Finish. What we need is course name, include the text crop. course name. Let's run first. Course name include crop. Is it crop? Yeah. So we'll just check around if crop is here in between some of these field, the course name. So design view, just say here star crop star, and let's see how we should write here star crop and then star. Now run. So it include the crop, right? Then after, course type is university. So the course type is university. Yeah, and then after are sorted in ascending order of last name. So ascending order of last name. Here ascending order, save, and then after use this selection to produce label. So arrange in 2 columns and 5 rows with 10 labels to the page. So we should include them like this, and with the label size this one. So we click on save, we close this one, create a label. So we usually select from here 2 side by side, metric 2 side by side, and then after we need to find out the size, 90 mm wide and 57. 90 and 57, we have to find it out here. 90 and 57. In this list we have to find 90 and 57 mm. This is a long list actually, that's why you have to be very, very careful to select the specific measurement. So 90 and it is 57. So with the 90 we have these options, okay, 90 and 57. So just looking forward into the list. Okay, so 57 and 90, and it is 9.9. Okay, 57 and 90. So we have to check here the exact size. This is the one. No, this is 99 and 57. Yeah, this is 1957. Yeah, that's the one. Next, let it be Arial. And now we should have course name display the data for each field. Okay, so it says arrange with 10 labels to the page. For example, with a label size of this one, page orientation is already portrait, and then display the data for each. So you just need to display the data, I guess. So we just simply click on course name, okay, and if there is anything to be typed or any heading, no, I guess. Okay, modify the larger format, 2 lines with the display larger font. Okay, that is okay. We just include course name. Then next step is course type. Course type, and then hyphen, and then start date. Then we should have the first name and last name. Okay, so actually I need to cancel this one. Oops, I have to click here on the query, and then I have to produce a label. So This is the size. Yeah. Now I have to choose accordingly. Course name first, course type second. Okay, course type in the second line, course type. Yeah, and then hyphen, and then we have the start date. Then we have the first name and last name. Then we have street address in the next line, street address. Then we have the area, and then we have the postal code. Next, so it should be sorted. It is already sorted according to the order. And next and finish. For example, this is how it will look like. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 labels. Yeah, and then say have your name, center number, candidate number on the left of the bottom of each label. So right click, design view, and here you can include a label which will have my name, center number, and candidate number on every label. And then after, modify the format of the label so that only the first two lines are displayed in a larger font. These two should be larger in font. Instead of 8, let me just make it 10. And these ones should be little bit down. Yeah, now 10 labels per page. Save and view. Actually print preview. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So you can just simply go back to design view and increase the width of it so that you get only 10 labels per page. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let me adjust little more. Yeah, I think I will get this time 10 labels. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 labels. Yeah, and then after, what you need to do is, yeah, that's all from the database part of this question paper. So hope you have learned about database and how to utilize the tools to create the reports, queries and labels. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe the channel for new videos and updates.